Let's talk about pond skimmers. I first set this pond up in 2007, had a landscaper build it for me, and they put a submersible pump in, I can't remember the brand of it, but I redid this whole pond setup 2016. It's now April of 2023. This Helix, I think it's called a Helix Skimmer, and the pump is up here. It's not in the skimmer, and it's just the right setup for any backyard pond. I mean, if anybody's building a backyard pond, you want a Helix skimmer. We've got those two pieces. That bottom ring is a basket that catches the leaves and the sticks and whatever, and this thing just pulls out, and then you can pull this out and empty the basket, and then below that, stuff's going to get through there, small stuff, your fine stuff, whatever. There's a filter that goes down below there that looks like so. It sits on, I had to build a cross so it doesn't get sucked in, because this pump, this Artesian Pro pump, has been in here. I fired it up in October of 2016. It has not missed a beat. It's just an amazing piece of equipment, and the great thing about it, it's all rebuildable. I can't remember how many gallons per hour it runs, but it's a single phase unit. Plugs right into a 20 amp outlet right there, and then you get frogs and whatnot that sometimes get sucked through, and there's a basket in here that you can dump out. I really don't clean that all that often. I mean, sometimes I don't even clean it all year. Should probably look at it monthly, to be realistic. But this is an amazing setup. So this goes to an under gravel filter. This one sucks from the skimmer. Just goes underground right here and sucks from the bottom of the skimmer below that filter in there. And then I'm sucking from an under gravel filter. That other 2-inch pipe goes all along under the gravel, and this is the setup you want. I mean, this is unbelievable. Just the old submersible pumps, every 2 or 3 years I was spending $700 on a submersible pump to go in the bottom of the old skimmer. (2016), 4, 5, it'll be 7 years. That pump is run flawlessly without issue. In October, I think I fired it up at 16. And you just pull it out and bring it in the house in the winter. And I just fired it up yesterday for this year.